Yeah. So in the today's session, we'll be starting it with the different sort of a programming. So in this Java program, we'll be displaying the gross salary as well as the net salary. So inside that, I need to specify that is the DA, HRA, PF, gross, and the net pay is given. Okay, so the formula is being given in the question. So we want to implement that formulas in the coding, and then in that way, we'll execute again the program. So DA is nothing but the daily allowance is there. HRA is nothing but the home rent allowance. Okay, PF is the provident fund is there, and gross is the gross salary and the net pay salary is there. Okay, so in the salary there are the two categories are there, that is the gross and the net pay. So gross is nothing but the it is having the combination of the basic salary plus the daily allowance and the home rent allowance. So which are the extra expenses are there that is being considered under the gross salary, and the net pay is that from deducting the gross, whichever the amount is there, that will be nothing but the net pay is. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the keywords that what you mean by DA, HRA, PF, and gross. So we'll start with the program. So in the project, I'll be creating the new project. I'll write the name as a salary over here. So now I'll be creating a class. So what is the class name over here is e-salary. Okay, I hope you are typing with me.
Ma'am,
Yeah, beta.
our school teachers send us basic programs without scanner. I have sent you the PDF link.
Okay, fine. I'll
It
take it.
has all the basic programs without scanner.
So you won't be having the programs with the help of the scanner classes
We will be, but ma'am, she had it like
right now
all
for the
another
coming
file.
exam.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, so she just had that file made already, so she was like, it would be easy for those to understand. That's why she sent that file now.
Okay.
in all the chapters, 11 chapters, from the 11 chapters, nested for loops chapter is not there.
So nested for loop, I guess it is the seventh chapter, right? Conditional flow
Ninth
state.
chapter.
Just speak louder, beta.
Ninth chapter.
Acha. So how many chapters are there in your coming exam?
5, 6, 7, 3 chapters are there, but third and fourth chapter is not yet confirmed.
Okay. And what about ninth? Ninth is also omitted till now, right now.
Fourth chapter is omitted. Yes.
So, okay. So, yeah. See, double area, it's like that when whichever the output will be there, that will be, output is going to be supportive for the fractional numbers. So it's not like that that if the output is coming in the integer format, it will be providing the output in the integer format. But in a case, if I'm getting the output like example 63, so no doubt I'll be getting the output as a 63. But agar mera output 63.76 aa raha hai, so the pointer or the compiler is able to give me this output on the output string. So for that purpose, it is being used it as a double data type. Okay, so in the output it was given, but and the input value she has taken the int. So what I want to say is, if 1.0 upon 2, it's not at all required. Not at all required. I'll just open this program and quickly I'll show you how the execution beings happen in both the way. So I'm creating the class rectangle.
She said कि like वो accept नहीं करता 1.5.
हाँ,
Shows
yeah,
the
that too
message.
is correct. That is 1 upon 2 नहीं लिखते because in the computer the numerator and denominator it's not there. It is having a 1/2. Getting it? Or else you can also write it as a 1 upon 2 is nothing but the 0.5, right? So 0.5 into base into height वो भी लिख सकते हैं. तो 0.5 लिया मतलब क्या? I need to take the float data type. Just a sec, I'll show you. I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes. Class D.
Area of triangle. So integer, I'm declaring it as a b is equal to 5. So now if you take it as a 5.5, will it be gonna execute the program?
No.
Yeah. So if you want it, you will be making use of a float data type instead of a int. Okay. Now to store the result, which keyword is which variable is being used? So that is so sorry, I'm making use of a area. That too with the help of the data type as a double. So that means if I get the result in the very long range, so that will be the supportive one. So now 1/2 I'm taking it and multiplied by base into height. And now the result is getting stored where? Into the area. So for displaying it, I'll making use of the system से output print करना है. So output print करना है मुझे line. So for that purpose, print ln. And then whichever the statement I wanted, I'll be making use of that. Area of triangle, quotes close, and for concatenation, I'll be using plus. So area mera stored hai, so I'll make use of a area, semicolon, a will be in the lower case. And now it has got compiled. So yeah, it's not having any error. So area of the triangle is C 0.0 aa gaya. Can only enter input while your programming is running. What do you mean by this? ये 0.0 क्यों बता रहा है? See, इसको क्या बोलते हैं पता है? This is known as a runtime error. So the next topic which we'll be starting it with the different types of the errors. So there are the three categories are there. One is a logical error, another is a syntax error, and then one more is the runtime error. So अभी ये runtime error आ रहा है. Now if I'm taking it 0.5 and then I'm executing it. So now we'll check it whether it's executing. Yeah, you got the output. So see, if I'm making use of a 0.5, I'm getting the result. If I'm making use of a 1/2, that is nothing but it is known as a runtime error. अभी runtime error मतलब क्या? कि the program when I'm executing this all the things, getting it, but I'm not getting a single error. Last में जो दिखा रहा है ना, no syntax errors are there. So मतलब I'm not getting any sort of a error, but still I'm not getting the output of my output screen. So that is known as a runtime error. So over here 0.5 लिया है, तो मतलब point में support करता है, तो that is true with the double. Now I'll make a use of a float over here and just check it. This program is getting executed. Yes, it's getting execution to hona hi hai. That is compilation. But I'm getting the output or not, that thing will see it. Yes, I'm getting it. /2. नहीं आया आउटपुट. गेटिंग इट. तो 1/2 जो है ये सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. बट इन सम सिनेरियोज आई मे ऑल्सो गेट इट 1/2 लिखा तो भी. बट क्या होता है 1/2 इज बेसिकली गर्ल्स लाइक इट इज हैविंग अ 1/2. So that is nothing but a numerator upon denominator ना. तो कंप्यूटर में एक ऐसा कंसेप्ट है कि न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर हम लोग यूज नहीं कर सकते. यूज करना है तो फॉर दैट पर्पस आई एम मेकिंग यूज ऑफ दिस ऑपरेटर विच इज नथिंग बट द फॉरवर्ड स्लैश. ओके. बट उससे भी आउटपुट आता है. But why it's not coming here? I'll check it once again. Compile it. Yeah, if I'm taking the float 15.8 now. I'm just trying all the possibilities.
Take 1.0 upon 2.0.
हाँ वो तो जैसा है वो उसमें आएगा बेटा जो पीडीएफ में दिया हुआ है ना.
हाँ आता है.
That same way it will be executing.
I do not. मैम ने एक बार बोला था कि लाइक 0.5 लो या फिर वो लो इसलिए I just tried that. वो आ रहा है उससे. I wanted to just उसकी लाइक पॉइंट में क्यों लेना होता है.
I got your answer. I got your question that what is your query exactly? But I'm just trying all the possibilities that I'm just checking it from all the way. Because see, same program if I do it in the C++ now, I'll show you in the C++ also later on. So if I do it no, आता है output. I get the output. Only the thing is क्या करना पड़ता है? Just make use of a round brackets over here because bracket plays a vital role in this case. Yeah, see, still it is having an error. Float area. Same thing is being there. Okay. Fine. जो अपना पे वैसे है वैसे ही normal रखते हैं. Yeah, see, I got the output as a 45 now. See if I make use of a year 0 point. अभी ये remove करके देखते हैं. Yeah. Now also I'll get the output hopefully. No, I'm not getting it. So, and the last possibility, I'll try it now. No, it's not coming with the brackets also. So if I make use of a 0.0 and then compile it and then run it. Yes, then only I'll be getting the output. So over here, क्यों अभी ये 0.0 ही क्यों लिखना पड़ रहा है? समझ में आया question? Because whenever I'll be making use of this sort of a data types, at that time only I'll be making use of this thing. That is the decimal fractional numbers I'll be making use. Okay, but if I'm making use of a only integer over here, it's not at all required to make use of a 1.0. So I'll just change it this one also integer. And अगर इसको float रखा तो क्या होगा? We'll just check it once. Where are ही बता रहा है? क्या है error? Compatibility issue होगा. Yeah. From double to float. और अगर इसको भी integer ही रखा तो still you are getting the error because you are making use of a decimal. देखो अभी compilation तो हो रहा है. हाँ, I don't think that. Let's see. Yes, correct. नहीं आ रहा output. So for getting the output, I'll be making use of the decimal numbers as well as, so in this scenario, what we have studied is that the data type is playing a very, very vital role, and that too with the help of the float and the double data type. These are playing the vital roles instead of the integer. Okay, so double is supporting for the float also with a long range number. So double use कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग यहाँ पर 0.0 use करेंगे. ठीक है, understood? So fine, you would have also clear with this concept so that henceforth if such sort of a program is being asked, so you won't be getting stuck up somewhere. समझ में आया? So the data type is playing a vital role over here. So data type भी कौन सा वाला? So that too for supporting the floating points or with the fractional numbers. तो कौन से data types है? So which are nothing but the double and the, which one? Another is float. Getting it? Okay, so now we'll be starting at the another one, sixth program. Just have a look to the sixth program. What it is there? Write a program to print the quotient and remainder of the two numbers. So you are aware of this thing? What it is happening is that is the P and Q, the two variables are there, which is being initialized 9 and the 2, and R is being given, which is not initialized, simply the declaration is there. So R is nothing but for the remainder and QU is nothing but for the quotient. So that is P upon Q, remainder के लिए P modulo Q. So P modulo कहते हैं, it's not a mod, okay? MODULO, modulo. So which is keeping a track of a remainder, and the division / which is keeping a track of a quotient. Getting it? Execute करके देखा ये? Yes. Yes, dear answer. Did you execute this program?
हाँ.
Okay, so you got the output, no? Didn't got stuck up anywhere, no?
No, did not get stuck on.
Okay, what about the 7th and the 8th one? Volume of sphere and the area of rectangle. Same thing is there, only the formula is getting varied. Area is equal to length into breadth. And volume of sphere, see girls, so ये volume of sphere है ना 2019 में, मार्च में 12th standard के board exam में ये question पूछा गया. So that means ये programs, this sort of a programs is also being asked in the board
But
exams.
the volume of cylinder.
No, beta, I'm talking it about the state board. This is about the ICSE board, no? But the state board in the 12th standard, 2019, 5 marks के लिए ये question पूछा गया तो, but only one thing variation is there in this program, that write the program in C++ to find the volume of sphere using OOP technique. So using OOP technique मतलब क्या? Object oriented programming. So that means I am supposed to make use of an object. Like yesterday's program we have done it, no? that is with the help of the scanner. So just keep it in mind, whenever I'll be making use of a scanner, that means I'll be using an object, because without object, I won't be able to execute the program in the scanner package. Clear? That thing only we have studied in the yesterday's session, no? And also the tokens. Okay. Okay. So any doubt in the PDF, just check it once again. I'm giving you 30 seconds of time. If you have any query, ask. ठीक है, done. I hope 30 seconds are over.
Yes, ma'am. Done. No doubt.
All right. Yeah, so now just focus on the textbook now. Once again, back to the theoretical part. Yeah, one programming is there. So first we'll complete it with that salary one, okay? Did you done that program? E-salary?
Ma'am, I have done it.
Okay, you got the correct output done?
Yes. I had no errors in that.
But output आया क्या? Error नहीं है तो.
Yeah, ma'am. Enter the employee name, सब कुछ आया.
Okay, very good. And what about the third one, program rational numbers का?
That also came correct.
क्या बात है, very good. मृण्मयी, आपका क्या?
मैंने भी वो सब किए थे, पर वो सब डिलीट हो गए हैं.
Okay, so did you
कर
face
दिया
any
फिर.
queries in that? Scanner, okay, so now Mृण्मयी, just tell me one thing. I'm asking you one question. Just look it into the screen. Just elaborate me this statement. I'm just writing it. Scanner. Girls, we are getting end up with the 40 minutes. So if the call gets disconnected, we'll join it soon once again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, this link or some another?
No, another link. Whenever we'll be restarting it, I get a new link. I'm not using my office ID because it gets clashes, no? So
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just using without premium wala account. So free wala account. So with that only, we'll work it on news scanner. Yeah. So now this statement should be by hearted, Shaira, to you. Yeah. मृण्मयी बताओ ये statement का मतलब क्या है? Please explain me the statement.
मैम, जो system.in है और scanner in है. नहीं, system.in बोले.
So system dot नहीं है, it's only a space. There's no any operators are being used.
The both in are there.
I'm not getting your voice. Be louder, be louder.
मैम, स्कैनर के साथ जो इन है और सिस्टम के साथ जो इन है वो दोनों इन डिफरेंट है.
Okay.
And the in which is with system is means system input.
Correct. Very good.
Scanner in,
Once again, be louder.
scanner in
Hmm.
means scanner in means
What do you mean by in? What do you mean by new? What do you mean by this scanner? Why I'm using these brackets? Yes, Shaira. Now it's your turn. Explain. Even I should understand, no, that how you are able to cope up all the things properly.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again? I was writing the
Same
program.
question, beta. Just elaborate the statement. What do you mean by this statement? The last topic of this is the testing and debugging. What do you mean by the testing? Do you aware with the difference between the testing and debugging?
No.
No. Okay. Are you aware what do you mean by exactly the testing? Suppose if I'm taking one program, like which you're seeing on the screen, I'm taking one class and inside that I'm just inserting the values and all. So testing matlab kya hoga?
Is it working or not like that?
Yeah, but testing is also one more thing is that it will be test each and every keyword over here. Suppose if I'm making use of a class ABC and now see I'm compiling it. Straight away I got the error. So what is my error? I'll check it. So identifier expected. So identifier expected मतलब ये line पे error है कि identifier that means it is unable to identify me what is the name of the class. Getting it? With or no doubt ये error आने ही वाला because this is not the complete program. So what it has been specified that each and every keyword as well as each and every declaration of the class as well as the variable in the class that is the fixed one. So they are having their own ethics, that is they are having their own protocols. Yes or no? So for testing it, if is there any miscommunication or the bad coding is being written at that time, the testing shows me an error. So it is getting failed and at that moment only I'm getting the error. Yes or no? So that's what the testing is done and at the end जो error बता रहा है ना, जैसे अभी ये cannot find symbol है class scanner, तो ये क्यों आया? तो ये debugger ने मुझे find out करके दिया. तो debugger मतलब क्या? Bug जो है ना, this is BUG. So bug को हम लोग इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में एरर कहते हैं, बट टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज में हम लोग उसको बग्स कहते हैं. तो जो भी मुझे बग्स आ रहे हैं तो दैट बग्स आर बीइंग फाइंडेड आउट बाय द डीबगर. और डीबगर कौन सा टास्क परफॉर्म करता है? डीबगिंग करता है. So that means, and who is eliminating the debuggers? The user is eliminating the debuggers. That is the bugs is getting eliminated by the user. So as you are seeing it in the textbook, so very first point is the testing is the process in which a program is validated. So validated matlab kya? That too with a proper validations should be done. Like if I'm accessing,
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, I have sent you the portion wala thing.
Okay, I'll just check it. Just a sec. First, let me complete it.
Ma'am, it's an unknown number because I have done it from my mother's phone.
Okay, okay. I'll check it better. I got it. आ गया मुझे. Reduce syllabus ना? Okay, I'll check it. But first, shall I explain the first part? This testing and debugging.
Yes.
Then I'll come to that. So now suppose, see, if I come to the Google, okay, And now over here, see, as you are able to see, the one form is being came over here, the Google form is yeah. So what do you mean by this thing? This is nothing but the text box where you're typing it. Yes or no? So यहाँ पर @gmail.com क्यों लिखते हैं girls? Why I'm writing it the Google gmail.com?
It is the administrator. Gmail.com is the administrator.
No doubt कि Gmail जो है, अभी ये Gmail का अकाउंट इसका लिखा है, but @ क्यों यूज किया है? Can't I use the exclamation or the star over here? या फिर this exclamation, this hashtag क्यों यूज नहीं करते? Why is it so? Did you think something like
Maybe
that?
it is like logo sign
हाँ, तो
that
फिर
is
मेरा
only
हैश भी तो
used
एक
for
साइन है,
Gmail.
एक्सक्लेमेशन भी तो एक साइन है.
Only used for Gmail, like special.
तो याहू के लिए भी तो जीमेल के लिए, मतलब याहू के लिए भी यूज करते हैं, रेडिफ के लिए यूज करते हैं, फेसबुक के लिए यूज करते हैं, सब जगह पे वही यूज करते हैं. कोई दूसरा सिंबल या नोटेशन क्यों नहीं यूज करते? So the answer is beta. Here we are doing the proper authentication, that is proper validation is to be done. So proper validation means what? That if I put it over here .n, okay, and I'll show you next. See, क्या आया? Red इस पे आया, ठीक है? It is being highlighted with the red thing that couldn't find your Google account. Why? Because I have incorrect the value .ndia दिया है, hashtag use किया है, exclamation use किया, so that is which is not at all fit in their own protocols. Yes or no? So that means to each and every concept or to each and every forms, there is some sort of a validations are given, some sort of a authentication is being given, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में, that is a protocols or some sort of a rules and regulations should be followed. Like अभी यहाँ पर जो नाम है मेरा ABC and then I'm making use of @ तो ये ABC क्या है मेरा? This is nothing but my what username. @ जो है, this I'm making use this symbol because it is already predefined by the Microsoft, as well as this is being setted for the all worldwide accounts. Gmail क्या है? So this is nothing but my domain name is there, and dot क्या है? So dot is making me separated from either the commercial one or with the organization one or with the Indian one or with the EDU one. That is nothing but the education one. Okay, so such sort of a things or such sort of a validations need to be done. Now if I'm doing it, next couldn't find your Google account. तो ये account जो है ये मेरा exist कर रहा ही नहीं है, इसके लिए it's showing me such sort of a error. But अगर अभी मैंने valid example डाल दिया यहाँ पर, so it won't be showing me directly. यहाँ पर next करने के बाद you can enter the password. Yes or no? So why it is happening? It I need to give a proper validations over there. Getting it? तो यूजर नेम है तो वहां पर पासवर्ड डाल के चलेगा नहीं, पासवर्ड है तो इधर यूजर नेम डाल के चलेगा नहीं. तो ये सब कौन करता है? ये टेस्टिंग करता है, और टेस्टिंग करने के बाद मेरा डीबगिंग प्रोसेस होता है, जो हम लोग टेक्स्ट बुक में देख रहे हैं हमारे करिकुलम में. Getting it? So testing is complete when all the desired verifications against specification have been performed. And debugging is the process in which the errors are removed from the program. Okay, and debugging is getting finished when there are no errors. So अगर कोई error नहीं है तो ही मेरा debugger जो है वो process मेरा complete कर रहा है, or else that process will be remaining incomplete and the program is not ready to execute it. Okay, so is it clear with the testing and debugging now? As I have shown you the lively example of the testing, that too of the validation one. Yeah. And now the last topic of this is the types of the error. So errors are nothing but the bugs are there. So there are the 3 types of errors are there, which is nothing but the syntax error,
Runtime error and logical.
yeah, another is logical, and the last is a runtime error. So as syntax error matlab kya? So I'll just show you. See, as we have done it in the today's session only, जैसे अभी मैंने यहाँ पर syntaxes change किए थे ना, we have changed it to the int and float यहाँ पर डाला था, right? So it was showing me the error. So वो error क्यों था? क्योंकि वो syntax error था. Syntax मतलब क्या? जिसको normal English में we call it as the format. Just to make a notes, I hope मैं जो भी lectures ले रही हूँ, you are maintaining a proper notes of that. Lecture recording
Yes.
का मतलब ये नहीं कि but later on you won't be having the time कि कौन से लेक्चर में मैम ने क्या कहा था, so उतना टाइम नहीं रहता तुम लोग के पास रिकॉर्डिंग ओपन करके चेक करने की. So whenever I'm giving you any tips or the notes, just simultaneously make a note of that. It will be easier for you. Yeah, so syntax error, it's like, see, same thing if I make use of a format error like semicolon की जगह पे colon use किया and now I have got compiled. So see last में दिखा ना वो कि error found in class, so वो syntax error होता है. So ये error देखो, this is expected. So ये किसने मुझे specify करके दिया कि semicolon expected है? Debugger.
Syntax error.
Debugger,
Debugger.
ठीक है, बट debugger ने क्या
Debugger.
थ्रो किया है? एरर थ्रो किया. तो कौन सा एरर? तो नोटेशंस वाला, that they are telling me and to enter the so and so error. So that means the semicolon user ने डाला and then if I'm compiling it, so you are getting the output. देखो लास्ट में देखो, just see it properly, no syntax errors are there. तो ये no error क्यों नहीं बताता? नो रन टाइम एरर क्यों नहीं स्पेसिफाई करता?
Ma'am, runtime and error comes like after compiling when you means like get the input.
Yeah, the runtime error is different.
Sorry,
I'll come to
output.
step by step better. First, I'll complete the syntax error.
Yeah.
Yeah, so यहाँ पर ये जो लिखा है ना लास्ट में, you are seeing the cursor कि no syntax error क्यों लिखा है? No logical error, no runtime error, ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखा है? क्योंकि
I don't know about logical error, but syntax error. पता नहीं.
okay, so इसलिए नहीं लिखा है because user has written all the things with full of perfection. So that means he or she has not done any mistake with any sort of a notations, any sort of a symbols and any sort of a keywords. Keywords मतलब अभी ये देखो, ये s छोटा लिखा मैंने lower case और फिर compile किया. So it will be throwing me error. तो ये कौन सा error है? तो देखो package system does not exist. तो मतलब ये package system does not exist, ये जो भी बता रहा है ये कहाँ से आता है? From the library it's getting it. So these are nothing but the syntax error. Now when I'm coming it to the logical error, okay, abhi logical error, it's very what we say, which I have seen it, that is logical error is in the output brackets is as we have seen in the starting of the session, 1/2. Instead of this, what I'll do it, I'll make some changes over here. 1/2.
That means mathematical errors are called logical errors.
Perfect. Very good. That means 2 related with the formula 1, especially. It means it is only and only oriented with the logic concept. तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, अरे तेरा logic wrong है. Suppose if I am taking it half into base into height. Okay, अभी execute करके देखते हैं हो रहा है क्या? Yes. Execute मतलब area of triangle. So enter the values. So 5 है and 6 है. क्या हुआ? 0.0 ही आया. आउटपुट करेक्ट है? नो, नॉट एट ऑल.
No.
गलत है. सो मतलब क्या हुआ? ये मुझे नो कंपाइल, नो सिंटैक्स एरर आया, मतलब एरर तो नहीं है, बट आई डोंट गॉट द आउटपुट प्रॉपर्ली. So that means it is nothing but the logical error is done.
Logical error.
Getting it? Yeah, one more thing I just recollected now. I'll show you one thing like B plus H plus I'll take it A /3. But abhi A yahan par I'll just declare it and just compile it. Error is found. A integer. हाँ, A को भी तो initialize करना पड़ेगा ना. Copy and paste it. समझ रहा है ना मैं क्या कर रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
या देखो अभी एरर नहीं है. And now I'll just clear the screen. And now, yeah, enter the values. So I'll be entering the three values now: 45, 6, and 68. Area of triangle is 89. Is it correct? 51 and yeah, it's correct. So अभी ये correct, अभी कैसे correct है वो देखते हैं अभी. If I'm making use of this symbol over here, and then I'll be compiling it. And now there's no error. So once again, I'll be executing it. Yeah. 45, 6, 68. See, the outputs are different. I have entered the same values. Did you see it? What happened, girls? So this is nothing
Ma'am,
but
you divided the whole bracket with 3.
exactly. So this is known as a logical error. कि मतलब logic गलत है तुम्हारा. तो logic गलत कैसे? So that means here this round brackets is playing a vital role. That means A plus B plus C is getting concatenated together, and that sum is getting divided with the 3. But what was happening in the previous case? A and B is only getting added, and third number is only getting divided with the 3, not the whole sum. Getting the point? So this is nothing but a logical error, which always usually happens in the average of three numbers. So if you average of three numbers kar rahe, and you're not making use of these brackets, this will be throwing you an error. Getting it?
Yes.
Clear with the logical error? And now the last is the runtime error. Runtime error मतलब क्या बच्चा लोग कि यहाँ पर पूरा प्रोग्राम मेरा करेक्ट है, कंपाइलेशन आ रहा, ठीक है, अभी मैंने कंपाइल किया, I got no syntax error, but when I'm coming it on my output screen and I'm trying to execute it, but I'm not getting any value, I'm not getting any output. ठीक है, अभी ये तो मैं value डाल रही हूँ, but if I'm not getting any output, so that means it is known as a runtime error, which means it at last एक last वाला phase होता है, एक final stage होता है programming में. कंपाइलेशन होता है, दैट इज कंपाइलेशन के बाद इंटरप्रिटेशन होता है, देन डीबगिंग होता है, दैट इज अ टेस्टिंग होता है, डीबगिंग होता है, एंड देन द फाइनल आउटपुट इज कमिंग. दैट टू इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रन टाइम एरर जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. गेटिंग इट? सो आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई एम हैविंग द वेरी परफेक्ट कोडिंग पार्ट, but no output is there, which is nothing but the runtime error. Clear?
Yes.
And runtime error you have experienced few minutes back only. जो सबसे पहला वाला मैंने दिखाया था, देखो हम लोग का आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा था. I have tried the multiple cases.
Yes.
कोडिंग करेक्ट था बट आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा था. वो 1.0 डाला तो आ गया,
हाँ.
राइट? सो which is nothing but the runtime error. So these are the three different scenarios of errors. Clear, girls?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so our inputs in Java, the chapter has got completed of ICSE board.